Well guys, we are faced with a predicament here. This tree on our property has died, and it is a massive tree. And it's becoming an issue because it's in the way of what we want to do here, and it's becoming dangerous because it's been dead for over a year now, and the branches are starting to fall. And you can see that it just towers up. Yes, a couple of branches are cut off. We had it trimmed back when we first moved in. It didn't survive, didn't make it through. This thing is... Can you help walk that around?
How do you have this?
Just face it toward itself, that's kind of easy. This tree measured 104 inches in circumference. Right there, if I went lower, we would have hit 9 feet in circumference. I'm sure there's some math whizzes out there that can figure out the diameter from that, but I don't know what the approximate diameter is, but...
It has to do with pi.
That's huge. A 9-foot round tree is pretty big, but luckily I do have a chainsaw and it's 1 foot long. We're gonna use what we got, and we're gonna cut down a 9-foot tree with 1 foot 12 chainsaw, 12-inch chainsaw. It's either gonna work or it's not gonna work, but we're gonna start it because that's what we do. But I don't recommend doing it. Leave it to the pros. It's intimidating though. But it's all leaning toward one side, and it leans this way. There's no way for it to fall toward our house, toward the cars, toward anything of value. I mean, these trees are valuable, but it has to fall that way because of the weight. It's 100% leaning this way, all the branches. And that's the direction I'm going to be trying to drop it. So if it goes the other way, then I really don't know what I'm doing. So I'm just going to start by cutting a giant fat wedge. Now this tree is alive, and we got to protect that tree. That is a cypress tree, and it's beautiful and it's tall tree. You can see it's just a big straight tree towering up. I think I'm going to put this on time lapse, and I'm just going to start cutting because it's going to take time to get through this. Well, that's not bad. We got a wedge. It's not a huge wedge, but it's pretty big for that little chainsaw. Look at this. That's some nice hardwood too. I mean, very nice. Doesn't smell good though. Now I'm gonna start on the back side, I guess, and just start cutting into it and see. I mean, I'm just hoping, okay, that there's enough weight on the tree that it breaks its way, that it just goes. Like if we weaken it enough on the back, it'll just want to go. you guys keep seeing me stop and have problems, it's because we're standing in a giant, like a fire ant mound. They're biting me. I'm gonna be covered in blisters. It's painful. They're all over the ground here. Wait. Back up. It's really cracking. Can you see? Wow, I can't believe how much weight this thing can hold with so little wood. Wow. Guys, can you believe what we just accomplished together, us, you and me? We just cut down, let's call it a 9-foot tree. I know it's around. We just cut down a 9-foot tree with a 12-inch chainsaw, accomplished our goal, everybody's safe, minimal damage, didn't land on anything except for a couple little trees, and mission accomplished, and it was an epic drop. It was very slow and suspenseful, and then you hear the cracks and pops, and I love the ending. It was creaking so loud, and a big crash with the water splash. Couldn't have been better. I'm so thrilled. This was our entertainment living out here. This is what us country folk do, right? But it was fun. We had a good night, and we cut down a tree, and now our yard is safer. You can see it's all dead. You want to see the lone cypress? There's the lone cypress. I hope the video quality is okay, because the tree did land on the camera, broke our lens, and it honestly looks darker than it should. I have the exposure way up on it, and I don't know what's going on with it. I'll have to check it out, but it's okay. We'll figure it out. Didn't expect that. I didn't expect the branch to come over so far and reach that camera where you guys were sitting. I don't know. Actually, it looks fine. Maybe the camera is going to be okay. So now, not tonight, we're going in to get cleaned up, take care of my wounds. I was through a battle today with these ants. The ants were non-stop biting at my legs, and you won't even want to see what it looks like later on.
When they start blistering.
My legs are going to be covered in swollen, red, pussy blisters, and it's going to look like I have a disease.
And then they turn into scars. Like, I have scars all around my ankles from ants.
Anyway, we're going to clean up this mess later on, but that's all we have for now. Mission accomplished. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.
Bye.